Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This is my personal experience with using the platform, so your mileage may vary. In this video, we're taking a closer look at Wise, found at wise.com. This financial service can be a real game changer, especially if you frequently deal with international transactions or need to manage money in multiple currencies. Wise aims to provide a transparent and cost-effective alternative to traditional banks, often notorious for their hefty international transfer fees and unfavorable exchange rates. They strive to give you the real mid-market exchange rate, the one you see on Google or other currency converters, and charge a small, upfront fee for their services. This can result in substantial savings compared to using your regular bank. One of the key features that sets Wise apart is its multi-currency account. This allows you to hold and manage money in over 50 different currencies, all within a single account. Think of it as having a virtual bank account in dozens of countries. This is incredibly useful for freelancers working with international clients, expats living abroad, or anyone who regularly travels or shops online in different currencies. You can even get local bank details in several currencies, enabling you to receive payments like a local. This eliminates the hassle of dealing with international wire transfers and their associated costs. Furthermore, Wise offers a debit card linked to your multi-currency account. This card automatically converts your money to the local currency at the best possible rate when you make a purchase, whether you're shopping online or paying in a physical store. No more worrying about dynamic currency conversion fees or unfavorable exchange rates creeping into your transactions. It's a convenient and seamless way to spend your money abroad, or even at home when purchasing goods in foreign currencies. They also offer various business solutions, so if you're a business owner dealing with international payments, Wise might be worth exploring for your company's financial needs. From streamlined invoicing to batch payments, they have features tailored to help businesses manage their international finances more efficiently. Overall, Wise presents a compelling alternative to traditional banking for anyone dealing with international currencies. Their transparent fee structure, focus on the real mid-market exchange rate, and convenient multi-currency account with a linked debit card make them a valuable tool for individuals and businesses alike. Be sure to check out the links in the description and do your own research to see if Wise is the right fit for your financial needs.